nicely off though. And there we go. Chau. Save. Ah, well, not so. The umpires overruled it. Dave Carlton saying it was out, and the game goes the way of Vittinghus. We are heading for that third and deciding set now then, with Hans-Kristian Vittinghus taking it by 21 points to 11. It's out. Vittinghus on his knees for the first time since Dubai at the end of 2014. He is in a men's singles final. And tomorrow he'll take either Lee Junhui or B-side Pranith of India on to win the crown here in New York. And there we go, Kurihara with the winning shot, 21 points to 17. And just like that, they're in another final. Ayane, Kurihara and Naru Shinoya into the final of the US Open. Well, it's brilliant, 21-13. That was some smart, efficient, tactically superb, and some great skill to go along with it. It was a brilliant dismantling of the German pair. And the final point, a good example of that as well. And that'll do. We're heading for a decider. To their first final, Kaixiang, Dongping in a super final, and all credit to Birgit Michaels and Michael Fuchs for the way they made a real fight of it. Lee Junhui, of course, is actually expect him to win. That's on the line. No, just wide actually. And there you go. First game goes 21-9 to Lee Junhui. That's just wide, and Lee Junhui books his passage into a first final of 2015. He was made a fight a little more by B-side Pranith in that second game, but it was pretty routine stuff from Lee Junhui. Fairly ruthless display. And he will take on Hans-Kristian Vittinghus in tomorrow's final. And there you go, opening game goes the way of the Indian pair of Manu Attri, Sumeeth, Reddy. Left it, and they've done it into a final at Grand Prix gold level for the first time. Manu Attri and Sumeeth Reddy, they'd already knocked out the number 2 seeds. They've now beaten the number 4 seeds as well. It's a wonderful win and a comprehensive one as well.